Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, so had another order in. Thought I would spend a few minutes here with you guys and do some work at the same time. So got another order in, which means a lot more work for me. So let's get the camera here all set up. So this is a pretty hefty order. Uh, Believe it or not, there's a lot more that's went on than just the videos that I'm able to get posted. Um, Obviously, it takes a long time sometimes to do videos. That's the main reason why I've done so many of the live feeds over the years is just because of the fact that it just takes so much time. So, anyways, so I need to check my order in before I go to work. So I've actually had to work all through the holiday weekend, and we're still working. So, hello, Warren. Hello, Donnie. Got my order in, and I actually ordered a few things that I didn't on the last go around. So that's what we're actually doing is we're going to go ahead and start kind of checking some of this stuff in, see what all has came in. Um, Obviously, I know all of my order came in, but get some of the stuff here out of the box and kind of go through it here. But like I said, I just wanted to kind of spin. And let's just go move this off, and I'll pull them out. But I'm really happy with this company, not just for the products, but how they ship their products. They do a really good job as far as to make sure that everything arrives safely. Like I said, we've still got the other stack that we've got over here too. I just got to figure out what all goes with which ones here. But yeah. Okay. So that's everything that was in the box. So let me set this box off to the side here for the moment. I'm going to turn the heat up. Heat's been down kind of low because whenever I'm not in here throughout the day or night, I should say, I usually keep it down kind of low. So yeah, I've been trying to get by with the 65 degrees in here. Now it's just a little bit more than what I care for. Let's see. Pecan pie. Well, that's better than peas in a can pie. Hey, not a problem, Donnie. Like I said, there's a lot more videos that will get eventually put onto Patreon. Um, some videos are geared specifically to Patreon, and some are geared for YouTube specifically. So I'll get me some water here. But no, I've got a lot of different orders. Like I said, as plays, I mean, some of these are for me, and some of these are from some, or are for some of the other favorite YouTubers that are out here. So not only have to check in my order, I have to check in their orders as well. That's what I was looking for. I'm sure you guys have seen similar ones in different applications and different amplifiers. Well, these are going to be placed in some of your favorite amplifiers that are going to be coming up on other channels. So you're going to be actually seeing these in there too. But yeah, So I got their big 120 amp relays. They actually do a really good job, and all of them that I order are all either nickel or silver plated, so that you got the high longevity life on these. So that's one of the beautiful things about this. When you get up into something like this, usually they're nickel. They're a high nickel plate, so that they can handle lots and lots of current. So, but I got to see how many of each thing that I've got come in, make sure that it's all good. But yeah, I've ordered quite a few of these. So I'll have to, once I know that everything's come in, I'll have to pull everything for everybody's orders. So sometimes in the middle of doing repair work out here in the shop, I literally just have to stop. Just like I've got one sitting over in the corner. I was actually going to get to that today, but I woke up, and to my surprise, I wasn't expecting this for almost another week. Okay, so there's 8. So I've got 8 of those that came in. And one of the things, which, I mean, I've got plenty of these in stock, but I went ahead and ordered some. I asked them if they could manufacture these, and they went ahead and made me a sample package, because where I've been buying these from another company, this is the only relay that I hadn't been purchasing from them. And part of it had to do with communication breakdown. So, slowly, I am learning the Mandarin language. Not quite enough, but still working on that. But I've got probably 100 of these already on hand. But the small little 8 amp relays. Let me see if I can zoom this camera in a little bit, guys. I've got it set kind of far away so that I can walk in and out around the camera itself and talk to you guys as well. But anyways, the little 8 amp relays that I've been using in 2-pill amplifiers, biasing, preamps. I've actually just kind of went over to using these for almost all my other applications. So, I'm going to put a couple of these to the test and see. Like I said, I just ordered a small amount of these. I just ordered 15 from the company. Like I said, I had been buying these from another company as far as this one particular relay because of, like I said, communication breakdown. And she said, I can build those same relays for you. We've got, she said, I've got the standards for those. So, these are hermetically sealed and vacuum sealed relays. So that's what makes these really, really good as far as these little 8 amp relays. So that's great. So, let's see. Hello, Imped. Good evening. Popcorn. Yeah, I'm just popping in here with you guys here. Black Duck waving. Hello, Black Duck. But yeah, like I said, I've been pretty busy as far as overall. Like I said, just trying to knock out stuff and then going back to work. They've been killing me up there where I'm at. So, and then we're on the holiday weekend, which, well, I can't really pass it up because, I mean, I get my holiday pay plus I get time and a half. We're going in for Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is my regular time and a half, and then Sunday everybody loves double time. So it's like, well, sucks to work. Sucks to work the weekend. As far as whenever I could have had a 4-day weekend off, but yeah. All right, so this is another one that I'm going to actually start stocking, and I've used a couple of these in the past. These are also a 30 amp relay. As you see, they've got mounting flanges, so it's actually really, really nice. You know, but these are the same. I'll grab one here because I've already got one out of the package here. If I can grab the right drawer of relays. So it's the same relay as the ones that's got the little feet on it, but sometimes your application won't allow you to use this. So, you know, since you don't have the feet, these are a little more compact this way because of the case style. And with the mounting flanges, if you need to mount it straight to the board this way, you can mount it to the back. Yeah, it just gives you multiple different, venues as far as how to work with them. So, you know, I don't stock a lot of this particular one, but I do keep some on hand. You know, but it's the same relay, just different packaging. So that should be all that I've got of that one. You know, and then I've got common relays in there too. So yeah, they don't spare any expense on the packaging. I will give them that. Okay, so that's another box of those. This is a partial box. Tell that by the weight. But yeah, a lot of people don't think too much about relays. You know, they just think, you know, oh yeah, well, it's got a relay in it. Yeah, no big deal. But, you know, there's different relays for different applications. And there's a few others that, you know, depending on what you're building. And some of them I've been out of for a while and I haven't restocked. You know, again, same relay, um, just a different setup. And I didn't realize that this was the one that had the tabs on it. But I do still keep these on hand. You know, a lot of people love to solder these little tabs down, including myself. But I think I've got, there should be one more box, full box of these. Pumpkin pie, yeah. I used to be a deputy sheriff. What's going on here? Well, we are unpackaging and checking in relays. You know, some of these, like I said, are going to go to, you know, my regular inventory, and then some of these are actually going to go to other builders that we've got here on YouTube. So that's what we're actually doing, is we're going to check in our order. I'm going to make sure that, you know, what all has came in, get the boxes opened up, so I know what I've got here. Like I said, got a whole case of these, and then this should be the other version. Yeah, sorry if my head gets in the way, guys. Aha, yes. Big 40 amperes are in. Yeah, I've used a lot of these, especially whenever I go to 16 pill amplifiers, you know, where you're doing 3000 plus. These are great relays. The only thing I kind of halfway wish they didn't do is the little mounting tab, but you know, it's whatever standard that they have, so well, that's what we use. Those are beautiful. Let's see here. I think I've already opened that one. Yeah. All right. So I've got those big behemoths, the 120 amps. Should be some standard 10 amps in here too, because that's what's used in most applications. And of course, these are available also, to the public. If you guys are interested, just hit me up. They're cheaper by the box, but I do break these down as far as either individual prices or if you're buying them, either buy a flat, which is just 10, or a box, which is 20. If you guys are needing anything like that. Let's see. Oh, Dallas is in there. Hello, bud man. Let's see. But not personally. Yep. So, all right. I'm going to go ahead and mark this one because, like I said, I know. Let's put 10A and I'll know who that one or which one this one is. Because I know I've got a couple of these that are actually already sold. Yep. Same thing here. Should also be a 10A. Yeah. More than anything, I want to make sure that they're full boxes. Yep. Another full box. Yeah, like I said, the language barrier sometimes gets in the way whenever I make these orders. So, just got to double check with everybody before I make my order sometimes with them. Ah, yes. And I ordered these, which I use these. I use a lot of these myself. These are the 10 amp, but I usually use the 3-pole in most of the applications that I've been doing, just because that way it's already preset for where I can use the third pin for my biasing. So that's what I've been using these for. And I usually keep 30 or 40 of these on hand at a time just for myself. So that's the reason why you see me use a lot of these. All right, so that's a 10 amp 3-pole. So 10A 3P. All right. So I think that's everything checked in, just to make sure what all it is. Now I just got to go through and check that. But like I said, I just want to get in here and kind of spend a little bit of time with you guys. I know it's been a while, more than anything. Dropped off some stuff in Cleveland, in Chattanooga. All right. All right, so she forgot the actual packing list, freight charges, and overall cost. But yeah. All right, so that means I'll have to download that. Go back into my emails, download, and print off the other copy. That way I can confirm all the amounts. But like I said, you guys have got a couple of builds that, like I said, you're going to be seeing coming up. Like I said, not just on my channel specifically, but a couple others. Donkey Stomper, he's been buying quite a few of these. He even got in on a deal because they were running a special, I guess, for Thanksgiving, I guess. But you know, I've ordered these about 6 or 8 weeks ago. I had to wait because they had such a large order from multiple different companies come in, and I'm a little bitty fish. Um, you know, so I had to wait to have mine manufactured. But these are literally new. You know, I mean, they've only been made just a few weeks ago because you know, every time I place an order, they manufacture them based on the orders that they have. So if you order 50 relays, for example, you're put in line, and when your number comes up, they go ahead and they manufacture 50 of your relays. So you know, this is not this is not in stock warehouse. This is stuff that's made right there on the spot, and then they go through and they do their testing as well. So, but yeah, like I said, you're going to start seeing some of these in some amplifiers coming up real soon. Like I said, not just here on my page, but also on two other YouTubers. So, all right, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to get in here real quick and kind of touch base with you guys. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been able to do a live feed, mainly because I've been trying to get a little bit, a little bit more in-depth content. So, you know, and shorter videos to make it a little bit easier. You want that in your 4 pill? Well, you know, these big relays are a little slow, but yeah. But now the 40 amp, the 40 amp or the 30 amp, which I mean, I've been using a lot of 30 amp here lately as well, for different amplifiers too. But, the 40 amp, you know, those are like I said, some nice big beefy relays. Like I said, I really can't complain, like I said, with the quality that I've been getting from this company. But we've got a couple different 30 amps and we got the 40 amps that are right there ready to go, guys. Alrighty. Well, like I said, just wanted to get in there with you guys for a few minutes, like I said, and just kind of visit and what have you. Say happy Turkey Day again. I know Turkey Day is already over for a lot of people. And then today we've had everybody and their brother that's been going through doing the mad Friday deal shopping. But, you know, just real happy. You know, we finally got our monetization taken care of here on this page. So now we can actually start earning a little bit of money here on the YouTube channel, so that's kind of nice too. But like I said, I wanted to give a shout out to my relay company, uh, NaidIan, I think is how you pronounce that. But yeah, like I said, nothing like leftovers. Yep. Well, for me, no leftovers here. My leftovers are from the night before of whatever I fixed. So since my wife's not here and don't really have any family here to share holidays with, that's part of the other reason why I went ahead and volunteered and had to work this weekend. So we've been working on projects, overhead cranes at the work. We've been working on Haven's machines, which pre-cuts the tubing and everything for the machines for the automotive industry. We do have a tube mill that I don't know if we're going to get to over this weekend or not, where I'm at, but we also do need to work on our electrical furnace. So we've got a huge furnace up there where I'm at, and that's what we're going to be concentrating on today whenever I go in a few hours. We actually have to climb inside the furnace and replace the heating elements inside that. So it's going to be interesting. Um, you know, if I didn't think that they would frown upon it too much, I would try to take some videos of that and post them for you guys. But yeah, that's one of those that they get a little upset on stuff like that. So we can talk about it, but that's about as far as it goes. But all right, guys. Like I said, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to start pulling my order sheets for different people. I'm going to download that. I'm sure everything's came in just based on memory recall as far as on what I've ordered. That way I can start pulling these for, like I said, some of the other builders that have made some orders. So I can kind of get those broke down over the next few days and hopefully get their orders out so that they can get on to their other projects as well. But all right, guys. Hey, good evening, Mr. Carlock. I see you popped in. But all right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, I gotta get these wrapped up, get these sent out to all the different builders that need them, as well as uh, putting it back in my own stock as far as the things that I use. But all right, guys, have a great evening. Enjoy your weekend, and we will see you on our next live feed. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you would, check us out on Patreon. Like I said, I'm slowly working on that. Like I said, a little piece at a time. Like I said, I am kind of stretched because of the full-time job, working in here, trying to take care of repairs, as well as checking in orders and what have you. So, like I said, I definitely keep a full schedule all the way around. But all right, guys, take care and have a great weekend. Thank you.